Hey guys, and welcome back to this video. Now in this particular video we are going to talking about anchor tag. Okay, the simplest tag, which is called as a tag as well. So let's get started and let's just try to understand how these things are actually working. So what I will do, I will just delete this stuff completely, and then let's talk about the anchor tag. Okay, it's just a basic tag. It's not too much heavy. Okay, it's just in basic. Okay, now what I will do, I will just press A there and enter. So this is an anchor tag. Okay, so what exactly the href pointing to and all those things. So href, it stands for like it's referencing something. Okay, the link which is referencing, for example, I will put google.com, and after you click on that you need to just set that whenever you try to click on something you are going to be google.com. So I will say Google, save it, go back. Okay, let me just run the server again, because okay, it takes some time to run the server. Okay, you can see this is our output. Now it's little bit bigger, I know, but that's all right. If I click on Google, you can see what is it. It just said that google.com. Okay, cannot get google.com. That's completely fine. But what I will push http s www.google.com. If I just press it there and if I just go back here and let me just refresh it again, and if I put it, you can see we are on the page of google.com. So anchor tag is working like it's referencing the link. When you're clicking on that particular text, it will just move forward to another website or web page. Okay, let me just give you one more example so that you can understand it very well. What I will do, I will just create a here one more page, which is, let's say, contact.html. And okay, and in here I will just use a shortcut which is explanation, and then I will just put enter. So here is our contact page, and what I will do, I will say contact, and here I will say contact page, and here I also put some anchor tag which refers to index.html, and let's say home. Okay, save it. Now what I'm trying to do here is that I'm just trying to do, whenever I click on that particular button, I want to shift to the contact, and whenever I click on the home text, I want to shift it to our index.html page. Okay, now here I can say contact, and what I will do, I will just press contact.html and save it. Okay, that's it. Let's back to our web app. Where is it? Okay, now it's here. Go back, go back. Let's refresh this, and you can see the contact is there. Whenever I click on contact, you can see it's open the contact.html, which we are created in our Visual Studio Code. You can see. So here is the point. You are referencing another file using the anchor tag. Okay, not just that, you can just put the text into it here. You can put images as well. You can put anything which you wanted to go for. It's completely fine. Okay, you can see here is only the text, but you can put a logo, you can put image, whatever you wanted to put, you can put it here. Okay, let's go with let's say icons, and if I just go on icons, I can click on images, and let's say icon. Okay, I want a simple icon. That's it. Okay, I want this icon, let's say, and what I will do, I will just right click onto it, copy link address, and okay, don't just remember it, it's just an easy part. I will go on to my index.html page, and here what I will do, I will just put img tag. Don't worry, I will try to briefly introduce you about the image tag as well. You just need to understand it. Okay, just remove the alt and whatever it is, save it, and let's see on this page, go on to the home, which is index.html. You can see the image is there, but the image is working pretty fine. Image is not rendering, it's completely fine due to some internet issue, but yeah, we can just change it, copy link address, shift it, and let me just shift this link with our okay png tag. Okay, let's coming back to here, and let's refresh it. Okay, I know that this image is a little bit bigger, but whenever you click on this image, you are shifting to the contact HTML. So you can pick anything like image, anything, and just put that into the anchor tag, and that's it. Okay, so you can just work with that as well, contact. So this is an anchor tag which works like this, and I hope you got the point. We will look out some more things inside anchor tag in a couple of videos, but before that, let's just say you are referring a website. Okay, let's say as I said, https google sorry / www.google.com, and you want to go for a new tab. Okay, whenever you try to click on google.com, you don't want it to go for that particular that particular page as google.com. We need in another tab. So how are we going to do that? You can just set the target for that. Okay, you have a target option. Okay, you have a target option, and inside the target option, yes, you have a blank property which is slash blank. Okay, save it and let's see. And if I just click on there, you can see it's opening a new tab, and then you are going to be referring to the next new tab as a google.com. Okay, I hope you got the point. There are many more targets are actually present inside anchor tag. If you follow the Google documentation or HTML documentation, you will get more idea about the anchor tag. Okay, so I hope you got the point. If you have any doubt, you can ask me to the comment section. I will try to reply your all the questions as possible as I can. So let's catch up in the next one.